In this video, we'll show you how to connect your Printify account to Squarespace. To use the integration, you'll need either the Business, Basic Commerce, or Advanced Commerce Squarespace plan. First, make sure you've created a website on Squarespace. Then create a store page within that website. To do this, navigate to Pages in the home menu on the left side. Click the plus icon, then Store. This is where all your published products will be displayed. Once you've created your store page in Squarespace, head over to your Printify account. In the upper right-hand corner, click Manage My Stores, and then Connect. If this isn't your first store, click Add New Store. Next, select the Squarespace option. If you aren't already logged in, you'll be asked to do so. You'll then be asked to allow access. Click Allow. Then choose a draft Printify store to connect to from the drop-down menu and click Continue. Now you can publish your products directly from your Printify account and have listings created automatically on your store. Click those like and subscribe buttons for more tutorials like this.